Good day, guys. Welcome to another beautiful tutorial today. So, I got a message from someone. I really crop out the name. He said, "Great man, good evening." I said, "Good evening, sir." He said, "Please, how can I make this curve design for a birthday design?" I told the person I'll be making it tomorrow. So, definitely, I couldn't meet up because of one or two engagements. But today, I decided to, take our time and I swear, make this video. So, let's just dive into the tutorial. is is called image clipping or picture clipping, anyone. So you just go to your Pixellab, and for those of you that are not watching my video, or you're not watching the video to the end, you're not really doing a good thing actually, because if you watch the video to the end, YouTube will notice that okay, this video people really like it and people share, and most of you will watch and you don't like, which is very bad. So I try to bring in all my best to make this channel a place where people can come and get their problem solved in terms of graphic design and the rest. So you guys should also encourage me also. Let's encourage each other. So all you need to do now is to enter a shape. Let me say let's work with yellow shape, then drag it to cover all the layer. Now take note of what I'm doing now. Are you seeing? Then you lock it. Then the second thing you need to do now is to enter another shape, but this time you're choosing a cycle, something like this. Are you seeing? You also what centralize it, lock it. Then now enter the another shape. Now change the color. Let's use a black. Okay, let's use black for this white one. Let this white one be black. And I have an advanced course on graphic design that is available, so if you need it, just notify me or check in the description of this video. You see my number, then you can DM me on WhatsApp. The class has a lot, like really a lot, and it also gives you access to lifetime mentorship. Yeah, but if you have any question, you can come and ask me at any point, anytime. Even though I'm busy, I'll create that time for you because you've already paid for access. Are you with me now? So now you've created. Now we have two images here, the white and the black. Okay, so what you do now is you go to your shape, and depending on how many lines that you want to create, are you with me now? Depending on how many lines that you want to create, let me check how many lines that these people created. Okay, they used to actually. So we'll do this one, and we'll also do the general one that a lot of persons are familiar with. So we'll create this line like this and we'll drop it here. First of all, we'll centralize it, then we'll take it up. We'll leave it there. We'll copy another one, we'll centralize it, we'll also take it down. So let's just assume we want to create like 5, or let's just assume we want to create just a 4 space, a 4 space and this thing effect, or a 4 space and this implier. I also assume this thing I want to make it 4. Then you also centralize and drop it here. Then you also create and centralize and drop it here like this. And now if you've not joined my WhatsApp group, you're making a huge mistake, because in that place we share ideas, and also you drop any videos or any flyer that you want us to make video on. That's what we basically do there. So now what do you want to do now? Now you merge all the white shapes together and the black, merge everything together. Are you with me now? Then now go to your color eraser erase it. Are you seeing? Now lock it. Now what do we do next again? What we do next again is you merge your black and your yellow background together, make it to be one, merge everything together. Now you can as well enter a shape here, drop it at the center. Enter a shape here, drop it at the center. Then you can make that black. You can make that one black. So all you need to do now is to merge everything together, both the background, everything, just merge them together. Merge everything together. And then now you're coming here now to take off your black background. You're coming here now to take off your black background and use your color picker. I've shown you guys how to use color picker, so if you've been following this channel, you will know how to use color picker. This is what you will see actually. Then you can change the color, just change it to the yellow itself. Why did I change the color? I changed the color so that the edges would not be showing black, a little particles of black. So now what do I do next? Now go to your gallery. Now bring in those images that you want to use, those images that you intended to use. Now bring them, now import them. So let's just work with Joshua Selman's picture. Let's assume we want to work with Apostle's picture. So now you need to bring it down. Then it also need a bit cropping also. Are you with me now? But we can as well achieve this without any any distractions or anything. Okay, so now let's do it like this. Let's do it like this now. Now let's draw the images here. Bring back the image. Let's bring back Apostle's image. So I'll be a little bit quick. So this is the first image that you bring. Then all you need to do now is to take it downwards. Don't worry, we'll work on it. Then you drop it where you want to drop it. Are you seeing? Then you lock it. Then you also bring in another image. So let's bring in this lady. Just increase the size. Then you drop it. Are you seeing how everything is blending in perfectly? So you also lock it. Then you also bring in another picture. Now you can decide to make the space, you can decide to make it. I just decided to use 4 layouts. You can decide to make your own 6 depending on what you're working on, depending on what you want to do. So let's bring in this lady. In this thing, our target here is the face. That's our target here, is the face of the people worshiping, or the face of the thing that you want to show people in your flyer or in what you're doing. So yeah, our target here is just the face and nothing much. Are you seeing? Then let's bring in the last image. Let's bring in Apostle's image also. Like I told you that in this image clipping, that our main target here is just the face and nothing much. Don't worry. Now do you see that if you leave it like this, now it's showing on top? So all you need to do now is to take this last image now to be done. Then don't adjust it with your hand, use your controller to adjust it. Aha. Then concerning the center, the center, if you have any image at the center, you can enter your shape like this and centralize it. Then all you need to do now is to go to your texture and bring in the image that you want to work with. So let's just assume you're working. Let me see if I will see another image here. So let's just assume you're working on, I want to bring an image that's focused more on the face of the people. Let's assume you're working on this image.
I belong to Jesus. I'm never.
Okay, so all you need to do now is to, sorry for the call that came in. So all you need to do now is to focus on the face region. Like I told you, what we need is just the face. Are you seeing? You can enable it depending on what you need. So now at this point now, what should I do? At this point now, all you need to do is to merge everything together. Merge everything together. Then now, what are you coming to do now? You're coming to, you're going to your color, this thing. Merge everything together again. You're going to your color eraser. Then you erase the yellow. You're taking off the yellow. And now let's make our background to be transparent. Now, do you see what we have here? Now let me save it so that you will see what I'm doing. Let me save it. Then I also use this format also to work on the other sample that this guy sent to me. Let me lock it. Then let me import it back. Let me import it. I also use this sample. Okay, look at it here. Are you seeing? Now let me change our color, our background color to any color, white and the rest. Now are you seeing that? Like this, now you can place your image anywhere and as well. So let's just assume that we want to work with that guy's design pattern, and all you need to do now is to what, we have 4, so I'll just take off 2 sides. So let's just go to your eraser and take off this side like this. Oh sorry, we've actually touched something. Now let me zoom it so that we'll see what I'm doing. You can as well zoom your own. Now what are we trying to do now? Oh god, if you observe, before I started this tutorial, I told you a guy that reached out to me concerning sending me this sample, that he saw it online and he wants to do it, but he finds it difficult to do it. So, and I just believe that okay, a lot of person will be facing this challenge also. So I decided to make a video on it generally. So please, if you're that guy, please indicate that okay sir, thank you for this video. If you're that guy that reached out to me, please indicate and ensure you comment, share this video with your friends. You guys should like, you guys shouldn't just watch, subscribe and go. You guys should like, so that YouTube will be like, oh indeed this channel is giving out values, so let's recommend this, this video and the rest. Recommendation matters. So are you seeing now? So all we need to do now, let's say that's the celebrant's picture. Then we've taken off all the background, we've removed the background. Okay, let's use Apostle, since we have a lot of his picture there. Let's say it's Apostle's birthday. All you need to do now is to just drag it like this other image. Now you can drag it and you bring it downwards. Are you seeing? Then this one, now you can reduce the size of this image cropping, or you can take it somewhere elsewhere. Are you seeing? Then you blend the background, you blend the dance parts. So if you don't really know how to blend, I've done a video on how to blend. You can check that out in my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next tutorial.